Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. It is Diamond Mind. So today I am doing a install on a full lace wig from RpgShow. I am so surprised at how easy this particular full lace wig was to install. It didn't require any skills. I didn't have to do like a whole lot to get like a beautiful install, and I just want to share with you guys what I did and like if I'm going to consider going to full lace wigs and like ditching the lace frontal wigs, like period. So anyways, let's get into it. Let's talk about it because it's a lot to discuss. Let's get into this tinted transparent Swiss lace, which definitely helps with giving a super natural hairline. Now the hairline does come pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So let's talk about this full lace parting. Okay, so I gotta give it to RpgShow. I love the clean parting space on this wig. I love that I can part my hair right down the middle, not have to worry about the black dots, not have to worry about going in and plucking the part. Like, this is just such a clean part, and I love the back of this wig. I don't know why I haven't tried full lace wigs like more, because this is the type of wig that can give you so many different looks and still give you like that whole natural vibe, because you're able to part your hair in so many different styles. You're able to wear your hair actually in so many different styles and part your hair in so many different ways. You can do updos, you can do buns, you can do half up, half downs, you can do several ponytails, you can do braids, twists, like even you probably can do like bantus. Like girl, you can do so many things with this type of wig. And as you can see, I did not do any bleaching or plucking to the back of this wig. It comes exactly like this. So now I'm just going to move on to the actual hairline on this lace frontal. And I'm going to zoom in so that you girls can really get a visual of how the hairline looks and how the lace blends into the skin, so that you kind of know what you're getting if you decide to order this wig. So look at how the lace and the hairline really blends into the skin. Now I will say the hairline isn't like super plucked or super overly plucked. I think it's a nice amount of hair that has been plucked to give you a super natural hairline look. Now I am going to pull out just a little bit of the baby hairs, because I feel like with the bust down middle part, like baby hairs are just a must. And as I've always said before, doing the baby hairs definitely help with securing the wig down. So I'm just making sure my part is smooth, and yeah. Oh, and I forgot to mention the texture. So this texture is a Yaki texture. Now, it's not like the traditional Yaki texture where there's like little deep crimps in the hair. This texture actually doesn't have any crimps, or if it does, it's so small I can't even see it. But this hair does have a good texture to it. It is on the thicker side, but it can be straightened, and it just gives you like a fuller look if you go for like a straight style. So I love this texture. I think it has become my favorite over the kinky texture, and y'all know I love that texture. I say this like in all of the videos where I'm doing this texture or the kinky texture, but honestly the kinky textures take so much work to get the hair straightened. So I do think this is going to be like my new favorite texture, and the baby hairs are swooping right on in. This is just a really nice wig. Like, I love that I did not have to go in and pluck anything on the hairline, and I love that I didn't have to like bleach or anything. Just a super easy install so far. So I'm not going to necessarily straighten this hair, because I do like the texture being thick and full like this, but I am going to make sure I get the roots as flat and straight as possible, because later in the video I am going to do crimps on this hair instead of going for the straight look. But you girls get an idea of how this wig could look if you did straighten it. Okay, so yeah, I decided to add some crimps to the hair instead of going for like a straight or a curl look. Now, it did take me about 10 minutes, maybe a little less, to add crimps throughout the entire hair. Now, I did do my crimps a little bigger than usual, and I did not put like a lot of holding spray, so my crimps don't look like super crunchy and super defined. I actually prefer this look because it just looks a lot more softer. Now, with this being a Yaki texture, I love how my crimps look a lot more fuller because the hair is naturally on the thicker side. And this is what the back of my hair looks like in these beautiful crimps. Now, I am going to go in with a wide tooth comb and just break those crimps up and get like this more deep wave look. I just think this is just such a cute look, especially for the summertime, and that's why I decided to also wear this shirt, because I just felt like this look was perfect for this hairstyle. So I want to show you girls something real quick. So I combed out the crimps in this hairstyle because I know it's like almost 106 degrees outside. It's hella hot in Georgia right now. But I wanted to put this wig in a ponytail and wear it with some texture, like some crimps or a deep wave look on the ponytail. So I put this wig in a ponytail, and y'all, this ponytail is so freaking flat. Look how good this hairline, lace, ponytail, everything looks on my head. Y'all, I literally wore this wig for 4 days and did not take it off, did not work out, because I did not want this lace to come off at all. I did not want any type of disruption to my baby hairs. Like, this is just the perfect install. And the simple fact that this wig was so flat, no plucking needed, no bleaching needed. You can part this hair in so many different ways. Like, this is the go-to wig for 2022. I don't care. Like, RpgShow, y'all did that. This is amazing. I love how they have like progressed over the years of providing wigs, because you girls know I've been working with RpgShow for almost a decade, so I can appreciate the upgrade. So I'll make sure I have all the details below, because this is definitely a full lace wig that you should try, just because you're going to get a bang for your buck. So anyways, all the tea will be below. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.